Hi friends, up to now we have seen all the new methods that has been added in the arrays, everything we have seen, right? I have not continue further more into the arrays. So the why? Because so much of methods will be there available in the thing. So if you want to know more about the array of built-in methods and all those things, you can, as usual, you can go to the Mozilla Development Network, and in that array object you can find all the so many built-in methods and all those things. Now we will go to the another feature that has been added in the ES6, that is nothing but what we can say is map. What is this map actually? The map is nothing but we can say it is a collection. Okay, so basically in other programming languages you'll be having a collections, right? So in the same scenario in the JavaScript also we have map. Map is nothing but what you can say is it's just like a key value pair. The value maybe it's an object, it's an array, it's a number or anything. It's nothing but a key value pair where it has a collection of the objects or collection of arrays, something like that, so that you can use the map thing. Let's see in the normal example or simple example how could the map will be there, how we can declare that map. Let's say example think I have fruits object. Here I have what you can say, I have apples. Okay, fruits I have one thing as apples. Okay, now I have another one known as vegetables or something like that. Okay, I have the same thing object, so let's think it as potato. Okay, this is just normal object I am referring to. I have two objects, fruits and vegetables. Two objects I have fruits and vegetables. Now I will create a map. Now I will create a map such that basket. Okay, my total basket. Basket is nothing but what we can see is it's a new map. Okay, I am creating a new map. The basket will contain for me set of fruits and also vegetables in my basket. Okay, let's think it's a new map. We will try to print the basket. If I try to print the basket, what could be the output here? If I see the output here, we are getting it as object map. Okay, it's a new object. Okay, now I want to, if I want to check the total how many items are there in that basket, if I want to see, I can do size. So if I check the size, it will tell total number of items that are present in that basket, that means present in that map items. It will be 0, that means nothing is there. If I want to add data into that basket, how can I add? Now I will add something like basket dot set. Okay, set means nothing but we are adding the data into that one. Set will take two parameters. The take first one as key, that is nothing but fruits. I will add my fruits object into this one. Okay, now I am adding into the basket that fruits thing. I am adding into that one, keeping that key value pair. Okay, key as a fruits, and I am inserting that one in the fruits array. Now again I will add the vegetables also. Basket dot set, I will write as only veggie or something like this. Okay, so vegetables I am adding into this one. Now I have added fruits and vegetables into the basket. Now I will check the size, how many items are there in that basket. I will check the size. If I check the size, now I got the output as 2, that means 2 items are there in the basket. Now what we can see is, so here we have seen how we can add the data into the basket. Okay, now what I will try to do is I will try to copy this one and I will try to paste it here, and I will again try to check the console.log. Okay, so 2 items I have added into the basket. Again I am checking the size. Again I am adding some data, overriding the data, whether it will override or it will add it into the new data. Let's check, we'll see. So now if I check here, I am getting 2. So that means the same key, if I are trying to add any other data, so the data you will be getting overridden. Okay, so remember this one. Now another one is what we can, if I want to get the data, how can I get the data? So I can get the data something like in the same scenario how I am having the set, we are having the get here. Okay, get of fruits. If I use get of fruits, now if I check the data, now how what would be the output here? I got the object fruits object. If I take the veggie and if I try to run, I'm getting that. In this way we can set the data and also get the data from the basket. If I want to delete an item, okay, if I want to delete fruits data, fruits key I want to delete, so how can I delete? If I want to delete, simply we can use basket dot delete, and I need to pass the key fruits, okay, and I will check the size, console.log basket dot size, and I will try to print the fruits thing, whether the fruits is available or not. If I try to run here, it has been deleted. So now the size of the basket is only 1. Why? Because fruits is deleted, only veggie is present. And then when I am trying to get the data of the fruits which is not present, I am getting it as undefined. Okay, in this way we can delete an item in the map. Another one is if I want to delete total map itself, total basket itself, I want to clear everything basket itself. So in order to delete all the items in the map, we can use clear. Okay, clear means it will completely delete all the items in the map. If I try to check the output, everything is deleted. So size you can see that it is 0, and the data I am trying to get is getting it undefined. These are the basic things in the map. So we have seen how to set the data in the map, how to get the data, how to check the length of so what is size of the basket or size of the data in the map, and also how to delete, and also how we can empty the basket thing. This is the basic things managing the map thing. So if you have any doubts or any queries, so just please post the comment to below this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.